Sorry.
That's it. Come inside. Show them this feeling. So, guys, as you can see, I'm pulling it off alone. It's not easy. The people I pay to come and work here, they do like say you're doing younger. Me, I'm strong now. Now it's okay. I can do the feeling myself. But why am I doing this? I discovered that whenever there's a heavy downpour, the ground gets wet, and this invariably affects the chicken. They affect their growth. They affect the convenience here. So in order for me to have a better solution, I needed to fill this place. So I will fill the entire of this hole. As you can see, the distance of me carrying that sand is very, very far, and the road is not too smooth. So you see the struggle, you see the hustle, you see the pushing, you see the way I'm sweating. So when you see me smiling, do not envy me, because inside of me I know the pains, I know the hustle, I know the strength of pushing this thing. But I don't regret my actions, okay? Because for any big man you see today, there was a process like this. Some did not pass through the process, someone laid the foundation for them. But me, I'm laying the foundation myself, so I see this as a stepping stone to bigger achievement. So for those that think they can't go out and work, they can't go out and hustle, like you sabi, I can't come to your den to beg you for anything. You get? If I need anything, I don't have it, I'll hit the site. I do pong work, I do farming work, I do poultry work, I do pack sand, I do go school, I do hustling work. You get? So I need to keep my egg for one basket. See the way I'm sweating? Maybe water out. Then if I finish, I'll take this my energy booster. This is fearless. It will give me energy. I will regain every lost strength. You understand? So if I don't finish it today, tomorrow is another day. I will heat up again in the morning, push it again till I make sure I deliver this place. Then I will now change the roof. I'll do some thorough cleaning here. Then this upper deck, I will surely work on it too, because I need to put chicken there up. So I just want this place to be a standard farm. I don't want any inconveniences. I don't want rain to disturb my beds. I don't want the floor to get soaked. I want everything to be okay, so that I'll have good products. You understand? So this is it. I'm still trying to fill. Anyway, I tire, I will stop. I continue tomorrow. If I don't finish tomorrow, I continue next tomorrow. The goal is never to give up. The goal is to keep pushing. For those who are finding obstacles in their life, yes, there's a time like this. But what differentiates you from others is that you don't have to give up. You need to keep pushing. I've failed so many times, but the day I will make my final mistake is the day I will quit, and that day will never come to pass. You get? I'll keep pushing regardless. Cheers. Alright, let's go back.